What's up, guys? So you know graduation season has arrived, so I wanted to come and give you a cute idea of how you can decorate your graduation cap and stand out from the crowd. I have a ton of materials here. I'm not exactly sure which ones I'm going to use just yet, but I'm going to kind of go with it and show you guys along the way. So obviously the first thing you need is your cap. Graduation! Congrats to all the grads out there, first of all. Then I have like some glitter sheets, I have regular cardstock in pink, I have washi tape, glue guns of course, I've got glitter letters back there in the corner, some really pretty decorative beads, pink glitter, I've got baby's breath, ribbon, so we're just going to get started and I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay, so I love glitter so much that I decided to go with the glitter sheet, of course. So this is just like a mixture of gold and rose gold and pink in here. So first of all, what I'm going to do is turn it over, put the cap on the back of it, and then I'm going to cut out around it. Now that it's all cut out, the first thing that I'm going to do is look under here and find the center. I see it there. I'm going to mark it with my scissors, because what I want to do is cut a little hole so that my tassel can come through. So I'm going to get my tassel here. So now that that's secure, the next step that you want to do is getting it all glued down. So once you've gotten it all secured, you can cut away the extra now. Nice and clean edges. So we're going to move on to the next step now. Covering the center. I'm going to take some of my scrap from earlier and use that to make a little circle to cover the center here. And the center is covered now. Now it's time for the fun part. I wish I could just dump this whole thing of glitter on here, but that would be a little too much. So I just love to see them like run across the table. Wait, oh, they're leaving. So I'm just pretty much putting a dot of glue on each little bead, and I'm going to do that all the way around. So I got the edges all covered with these really pretty beads. I just feel like they're so cute. You know what? I'm going to put them here too. How cute is that? It's absolutely adorable. Now I want to go ahead and finish doing my outer decorations because I'm going to save my phrase for last. I think I want to go ahead and add on the baby's breath now, just for an extra girly touch. Now I made a bundle of baby's breath and I'm gonna glue them in the alternating corners. Alright, so I've gotten this all secured here. Got the baby's breath in the alternating corners, and honestly some people might want to just stop here, and that's fine if you don't want to say anything, but I think I want to put like what everybody's feeling. Yay, like you're out of there, you're done, you're through, you're on to your next adventure. So I have these color options here. I think for the scheme that I went with, the light pink will be prettier. So I'm just going to get yay cut out so I can paste it on here. Okay, so I got the word yay all cut out there. And so I'm going to get it glued down, and then I'll move on to my final touch. Okay, so I'm going to do the last touch to the top of my hat. I'm going to add this really pretty soft pink rose to bring out the whole theme of it. So I'm going to glue that right down on the bottom. And so that's what it looks like when you're done. So I just have one finishing touch, and that's for the outside of the hat. We're going to add a super cute bow. So this is the back of the hat, and there's your bow there. You can make it bigger, smaller, shorter, longer, however you'd like to do. But you definitely want to add that super cute touch on there. Congratulations to the graduating class. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!